Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Jetta service light. First, ensure your car's ignition is completely off. Then, find the 0/SET button on your instrument cluster, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button down firmly. This is the crucial first step to initiate the reset process. While still holding the 0/SET button, turn your ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep the button pressed for approximately 10 seconds. You should see a service now or similar message appear on your display. As soon as this message shows, you can release the 0/SET button. Immediately after releasing the 0/SET button, locate the button on the left side of your instrument cluster. This is often the button used for adjusting the clock or navigating menus. Press this left side button once. This action confirms the reset, and your service light should now be cleared from the display. To confirm the reset, turn your ignition completely off, then start your engine as usual. The service reminder light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. Remember to perform regular maintenance to keep your Jetta running smoothly. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for anyone interested in personal finance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.